So I've written before about how much time I've saved by putting a lot of my research information into spreadsheets, so it's all at my fingertips. It can be sorted or it can be filtered, and this spreadsheet here is a really good example of how you can put a lot of information into a single spreadsheet, even a single tab on a spreadsheet, and make it very, very useful. And I didn't actually put this one together. This was done by a man I met over in the Netherlands, and he took a lot of emigration files, and it took him a lot of work to put this together, I'm sure. But what he's done is he's taken from these immigration records of people going from the Netherlands to the United States, the last name, and then their first name, the age at the time they left, their profile URL on Family Tree, so you can go in and learn more about them, their immigration date. This is one that I created as a duplicate, and the ship name, where they departed, and then the destination city, and then their passenger list URL. So you click on here and you can see others who are on the same ship with them and some details about that voyage. So this is really useful, not only because you say you want to go in and find people from your own family. Say I can go in here and unclick select all in the filter, and again, just as a reminder, the way you turn this on, this filter, is you go to the data tab up here at the top, and then you can click filter off or on. And so when it's on, you can use that little drop down arrow, turn this off, and then just go start finding people in your family. In my case, there's one. Burke and Pass is part of my family. Bookveg's part of my family. The Bowmans were part of my family. Anyway, so you can click on that, and now you've got all of those names just filtered out with all their details. So, very, very quick. You can go back and see it all again by hitting select all. And say you wanted to put something together just for certain time frames, you could come over here. The way he's formatted this with actual day, month, and year, you can use a date filter. And even use the standard filter here. Let's say we wanted to look at immigration that just happened in a certain year, say 1900. What's one that's got a plus? Say 1912. Within 1912, you can go pick actual months. Well, it looks like she's got 1 month for that year, but say in 1911 we wanted just September, and so actually we want to turn all those off, and then we go to 1912 or 11 September and hit OK. And now if we expand this out, you'll see these are all 1911 from September. So yeah, really cool. And say you want to just filter by the ship name and see who came over on the same ship with your ancestors. You could come over and find the name of the ship, turn this off, scroll down and say, oh, okay, it was Arabic. They came over on, hit OK, and now these are all the people who came over on Arabic at different times. And of course the dates are listed here on the left. So it looks like a lot of people coming in 1905, 1906, 1907 forward on the Arabic. So like I said, this is a really powerful way to summarize information, to make it sortable and easy to find, and you could even add more details to this too, right? We could go in and list additional details about the different people on this voyage here and just enhance the spreadsheet over time. So I highly recommend that you take your information, especially as you get a big collection and do this for a few years and you start compiling a lot of data. This could be done with cemetery records, it could be done with contact information, or it can be done with URLs of websites that you're using for your research. So 100 different ways you can apply this, but take advantage of it.